Hello everyone. Welcome back to Shifting News, a channel that is here to give you amazing information in different areas across different cities, countries, and touching on different personalities. In this video, we are going to explore one of the infrastructure projects that is going to change the city. We are at the JKIA International Airport Interchange to see what changes are happening there. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Like it, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. The construction of Nairobi Expressway at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport Interchange is a massive undertaking that will increase the highway's capacity. It will also improve the way traffic flows into and out of the airport. By now, work on most of the major underpasses and link roads along this section are nearing completion. The new access roads will greatly facilitate movement of people from Eastlands and Westlands to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and vice versa. The interchange will serve as a key node on the Nairobi Expressway, having a direct access to one of the biggest airports in East Africa, which is managed by Kenya Airports Authority. The expressway gives good views of the entrance to the airport and other surrounding places. You can easily see the ongoing leveling of the ground and rolling the soil for the section that reconnects to Mombasa Road. operators are doing it with precision, and you can see it from their dedication towards the whole process. The separation barriers are in place, which will prevent vehicles from overlapping to the opposite lanes. This is a real marvel that will change Nairobi's appearance and experience across the whole world. If everything on paper will come to materialize in practicality, then you will always avoid traffic jams during peak hours. As we can see, some of the sections have been tarmacked. This means that the contractor has set in place considerably adequate manpower to ensure that no section of the highway stagnates. No more missing of flights if you are living in Westlands and its environments like Kitusuru, Kangemi, Kabete and Kikuyu among others. Please like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you are new. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.